Coaster Crew fans, today we're at Great Adventure with a Joker and Harley Quinn's Crazy Train construction update. As you can see, the Joker logo's in place, looking good. And let's see if I can zoom in. You can see part of the chassis. On the track. You can see there's like holes and the seats mount either underneath that or next to it or something like that. Here's another shot of the chassis and I think a couple seats. Those are definitely a couple seats. Alright, here we are, Harley Quinn's Crazy Train.
I'm taking Lucas on that floor.
You can see they didn't change the sign yet, and they still have the original music and pre-recorded instructions. But the train is on the track and it is painted. Here's a shot of the former Batman and Robin the chiller station. And you can see it's just a pile of rocks now and some dirt. Rest in peace, chiller station. Hopefully something big and new is coming soon. Alright, here we are at Jolly Roger. Slowly putting it back together. And the ride cars look to be newly painted as well.